Hey guys, just a quick question from a recent live stream study session. Hope this helps you on your journey. You are the Cisco Network Administrator for National AC Incorporated. One of your assistants is preparing to introduce a new switch to the network. Before doing so, you execute the show VTP status command on old switch and new switch, respectively, and receive the following output. Okay, so there's our output. If new switch is introduced into the network, which of the following is true? Ready, set, go. All right. How'd you do? All right, answer here is actually C in this case. So let's look at this. It says we've got show VTP status. We've got old switch and new switch, right? That are plugged together. We look right here and we see configuration revision. Let me grab my pen. This is the key right here. Configuration revision. Whoever has the higher configuration revision wins. Now both of these have VLANs. You can see that this one has 24 VLANs, this one has 10 VLANs. So when these two switches meet, let's just say this is new switch, this is old switch, right? As soon as they replicate, and this is assuming they're in the same VTP domain, which you can see right here, that's critical. If they have different VTP domain names, they don't communicate. But since they are in the same VTP domain, they'll communicate, and the one with a higher revision number wins, which happens to be new switch. So new switch completely blows away all the VLANs on old switch. Thus, there will be 10 VLANs in the network by time it is said and done. Good? Tricky. Good. Well, that's it. Stay tuned for more study session questions.